My dear friends, wood has a quiet way of grounding a space. Not loud, not forced, just present, warm, natural, and timeless. In the modern living spaces, small woodlog furniture doesn't try to dominate the room. It blends in effortlessly, adding texture, depth, and sense of calm that artificial materials can never replace. A simple woodlog stool becomes more than a seat. Its raw grain, gentle curves, and natural imperfection turns it into a sculpture piece, something that feels alive even when it's still. Low woodlog side tables bring warmth to clean modern lines. Placed beside a sofa or near a window, they soften the space, balancing minimal design with organic beauty. Some pieces feel almost poetic. A short log bench near an entryway, a small log coffee table resting quietly on a neutral rug. Each one tells a story without saying a word. Woodlog decor works beautifully in small spaces because it doesn't overwhelm. Its strength lies in simplicity, compact forms, solid presence, and honest material. Even the smallest detail matters. Log candle holder catching soft evening light, rounded wood accent placed on shelves. Decor pieces that feel collected, not manufactured. In the modern home, contrast create beauty. Smooth walls meet rough bark textures. Clean floors meet solid, grounded forms. This balance makes the space feel intentional, warm, and lived in. Some designs keep the bark intact, celebrating natural exactly as it is. Others are gently polished, revealing rich tones and flowing grain beneath the surface. Both feel right, both belong. A woodlog planters brings in life into the room, greenery rising naturally from something that once stood tall in the forest. It's a quiet reminder of nature right where you live. These pieces don't chase trends. They age beautifully. They feel better over time. In a modern living space, small woodlog furniture creates a moment of pause. Places where the eye can rest, where the room feels complete, not crowded. And perhaps that's the real beauty of wood. It doesn't ask the attention. It earns it. When natural materials meet thoughtful design, even the smallest spaces feel warm, balanced, and deeply human. Thanks for watching.